Okay, so I am going to show you how to use your youth demo kit. And you have the nighttime regimen for youth. And so that's what I'm going to take you through right now. First of all, I can't tell you how much I love this skincare. I'm a person who has not always had great skin. There was a period of time where my skin was so broken out with adult acne that I kept my hair long because it would cover my cheeks. And I have dealt with the scarring from that acne for a decade. And since using Youth, those scars are almost gone. You see my skin? It looks good, doesn't it? So the first thing we're going to use is this Luminous Oil Gel Cleanser. And it is a 3-in-1 soap-free pH balance cleanser that combines botanicals, a patented blend of vitamins. It gently polishes, purifies, and prepares your skin. So I'm going to push my headband back a little here. I've already gotten my water pretty warm because I don't want to use cold water with this. And I'll get my face wet and get a little bit. I mean, you don't really need more than a pea size amount of the polisher. It's not going to soap up, but you will get kind of a lather on your hands. And I just rub it around everywhere that I have skin on my face. It's gentle on the eyes. Of course, you don't want to open your eyes while you're doing this, but I find that my eyes do well with this. Now, I like to get a little bit of warm water on a washcloth and just kind of wipe it off with the washcloth. And that takes off any remaining makeup that maybe moving the soap around didn't quite get. All right, the next step in our process is this Perfecting Skin Toner. Let me dry my face off a little here. Okay, and this clarifies your skin. This helps free your skin of dull cells, environmental pollutants, and it just helps to exfoliate, hydrate, and nourish your skin. It's got a patented blend of essential vitamins and extracts of green algae and muscadine grape. And what I love about this system is that Shaklee spent 8 years developing and testing this system, and they developed and invented new ways to use the anti-aging properties of botanicals that nobody's ever used before. And so now they're patented. Only Shaklee will have this. This is exclusive. So I just put a little bit of the toner on my cotton ball. And again, just put it everywhere I've got skin. Gently, you don't want to be pulling on your skin. I like to get around here, around my ears, my chin. I even do my lips. These little furrow lines. All right. And that'll remove any leftover sludge that you have on your face. All right, the next step that is optional, but we'll go ahead and do it because you have it in your sample kit, is this Youth Radiance C and E. Aren't they beautiful? Can you see those? And this is a patented dose of 20% pure vitamin C and vitamin E plus raspberry cell extract to plump, brighten, and visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Doesn't that sound fantastic? So I've got my little, we call them squiglets here, and you just gently twist off the top, put that on your finger, and rub that in. You may feel it stings a little bit at first, and that's that vitamin C getting into the skin and repairing the skin. So think about a little bit of orange juice on a cut. It stings. Well, this kind of does the same thing because your skin is likely damaged. But the more you use this system and the more your skin is repaired, so you don't have the little micro tears on your skin, the less the C&E stings. But that stinging means it's getting there into the skin and that it is active and doing what it's supposed to do. All right, we are now ready for the Youth Activating Serum. And this has 10 times the actives to renew, regenerate, and make your skin act younger. It has a gentle encapsulated vitamin A retinol, polyphenols, and all other wonderful things. Pops up like that, just a little dab. And again, you're just going to go around. Don't forget those ear areas because we get weird wrinkles there. I like to do my lips between here. Avoid the eye area with this because the eyes can be sensitive to it, but you will notice that the eye wrinkles will still firm up even though you're not putting product directly on them. It's fabulous. And then the last step is this Youth Advanced Renewal Night Cream. It is beautiful, rich, luscious. My daughter's knocking on the door. And it goes all on there too. And I like to do right here. And right here. Because that ages us too. So that is your nighttime ritual. You will notice your skin feels softer, dewier, maybe even a little bit brighter and plumper. And when you wake up, you're going to feel wonderful. So enjoy, and we'll see you later.